Welcome to Quality Silent Films. We're thrilled to have you with us as we take a nostalgic trip back to the time when movies didn't have sound but still managed to convey so much. Tonight, we're showcasing a film that's a delightful blend of slapstick humor and Buster Keaton's signature deadpan charm. Stick around after the film for a deep dive into the minds behind it, the cast, the production tales, and the fascinating world it emerged from. So, what happens when a blacksmith's hammer collides with the delightful chaos of silent comedy? You get The Blacksmith, a film that perfectly balances chaos and mechanical artistry. Keaton's character isn't just your average tradesman, he's a whirlwind in overalls, navigating the tumult of modern life. While this short may seem like a straightforward comedy, it cleverly serves as an early cinematic reflection on the human struggle against malfunctioning machinery and the unpredictability of life, all without uttering a single word. Released in 1922 and co-directed by Buster Keaton and Malcolm St. Clair, The Blacksmith features Keaton alongside Edward F. Cline and Virginia Fox. It was shot at Keaton's own studio in Hollywood, a place where every visual gag and precise timing was crafted with the same care as fine metalwork. In just under 20 minutes, Keaton turns a typical blacksmith shop into a whirlwind of blunders, misunderstandings, and mechanical mischief. The premise is straightforward, but the underlying themes are profound. A blacksmith's apprentice is left to fend for himself, and let's just say, things don't go as planned. With iron horseshoes, real horses, and a few things that probably shouldn't explode but do anyway, The Blacksmith packs in more surprises per minute than many full-length films. Get ready for the screen to come alive as we enjoy one of the most ingenious creations of silent cinema. Whether it's your first time watching or you're revisiting it, this short reminds us that sometimes, the biggest laughs come from the tiniest sparks.
First flight of the Airfield Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower. Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Sometimes a film wraps up not with a grand finale, but with a delightful chuckle, and The Blacksmith is one of those rare gems that leaves us grinning at the delightful unpredictability of life. It's definitely a comedy of errors, but it also serves as a quirky tribute to craftsmanship, chaos, and Keaton's unwavering composure throughout it all. By 1922, Buster Keaton was already carving out his legacy as one of the most innovative figures in silent cinema. Co-directing this short alongside Malcolm St. Clair, he was honing the style that would earn him the nickname, the Great Stone Face. While The Blacksmith might appear modest compared to classics like The General or Sherlock Jr., it was a crucial milestone in Keaton's journey, a playground for his unique choreography of chaos. As for St. Clair, though he may not be as well remembered today, his partnership with Keaton here showcases his background in directing and clowning, which surely shaped the film's timing and tone. Keaton, of course, takes on the role of the bumbling blacksmith's assistant, or more fittingly, the chaos catalyst in suspenders. Edward F. Cline, a regular collaborator, makes a cameo, and Virginia Fox brings her signature charm to the role of the customer who might just regret needing a horseshoe. For Fox, this film was just one of many successful roles she played in Keaton's world, though she would eventually step back from acting after marrying studio head Darryl F. Zanuck. Meanwhile, Keaton was at the peak of his creative powers, running his own studio and pushing the boundaries of visual comedy to new heights. The film was produced at the Buster Keaton Studios in Los Angeles, where practical sets and real horses mingled with elaborate gags. It's interesting to note that there are multiple versions of The Blacksmith, thanks to different edits, lost scenes, and various prints that have surfaced over the years. In fact, a surprising alternate version was discovered in the 2010s and restored by film preservationists. That version includes previously unseen scenes, some of which arguably enhance the overall experience. When The Blacksmith first graced the big screen, audiences were already primed for Keaton's brilliance, and they certainly weren't let down. Critics raved about the physical comedy, particularly a scene featuring a troublesome car, a recurring motif in Keaton's work that highlights modernity gone awry. Over the years, this film has been re-evaluated, not as a mere short, but as a finely tuned little masterpiece, crafted with equal parts care and chaos. Thematically, The Blacksmith dives into questions that still resonate today. How do we deal with tools and systems that refuse to cooperate? How do we keep our dignity intact when everything seems to be falling apart? Keaton's take? We maintain a straight face, push through, and maybe give the anvil a little kick now and then. And here's a fun tidbit you might not know: in one version of this film, the finale features Keaton tinkering with a car that leads to explosive consequences. But in an alternate cut, the ending takes a different route, offering a more subtle comedic twist. Which version did you catch today? Regardless, it's classic Keaton, multiple takes, same deadpan brilliance. Thanks for joining us on this journey filled with soot, sparks, and silent mischief. We hope The Blacksmith brought a smile to your face and perhaps a touch of empathy for those times when your own tools decide to act up. We'll be back soon with more silent era gems that continue to resonate today, no dialogue needed. As always, we appreciate you spending time with quality silent films, where the magic of silent cinema comes alive once more. We feature full-length classics in shorts, each accompanied by a sprinkle of history, a dash of biography, and a whole lot of love for the enchantment of early film. If you enjoyed this one, please hit the like button, share your favorite gag in the comments, and subscribe for more. We promise, no anvil mishaps here.